no such thing as a bad meal in Tokyo. Even a cheap working class eatery is amazing.
We're gonna have a slurp off now. 3, 2, 1.
It's just across the board, the food is just incredible. The taste and its quality and its preparation and its detailing, and that's the Japanese take on food. That has to be spot on. The sushi's incredible, best in the world. Well, you kind of want it to be, because it's Japan, yeah, and it's the capital of Japan. So you have a bit of sushi, you go to a bit of a sushi train, but what's the next step beyond that? And that's the sushi Shinsaken.
We've all been in a sushi train where you sit at the table, the train goes past, you grab the sushi up there. This is different. iPad service, train comes rushing across and stops right in front of you with your order in it.
And then the quality is incredible, the price is amazing. It's FedEx of sushi experience.
Futuristic. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. God, this is the best video game ever, and I'm winning every round.
It's everything. It's efficient, it's amazing, and it's convenient. And that whole convenience thing.
If you don't believe the food in Japan is nothing short of incredible, you have to come to one of the convenience stores like Family Mart, 7-Eleven. The food, outstanding. I'm just gonna get some eggs, but they're good too.
It's the most convenient city in the world, and it has to be because the place is just hemorrhaging with people. The Fugu fish is, famously the fish that's so poisonous it kills you. And if you eat the wrong part, you'll die. And that's the Red Bull of food experiences,
I have to check to see if Fugu eating is covered by World Nomads, but what could possibly go wrong? Well, I suppose death. Am I in danger?
Definitely danger.
I'm in danger. Great. I was vegetarian up until now. Maybe it's a good time to go vegan. He certainly can wield a knife, this guy. That's the poison. That's the liver. It's so big. And if I went, is that bad? Bad.
What else can you eat apart from some sort of street side curry in Mumbai that might kill you? And the answer, Fugu fish.
Just don't get these trays confused, all right? So we'll keep that one there, we'll keep this one here. Everyone, should we write on them, just to remember?
Deadly! Yummy!
If it was me, I would have maybe made this tray red and this one green. But look, I don't want to sort of tell you how to do your job, just certainly give you that. That's incredible. Thank you. I would shake your hand back. Oh, you watched it? It's okay. Oh, he's... I got it.
He wasn't stressing, and I tried to crack a few jokes about it, but they weren't having a bar of it. They were just like, nah, you'll be all right. Like, I could die. I might die eating this. You'll be fine.
Fugu appetizer.
Any last words?
Thank you for bringing me here, World Nomads. And if this is the end of it, then look, I hope there's for a significant payout. That's delicious. This one's good. It's the danger that makes it taste even more delicious. This is the extreme sports of fish eating. Like my heart's beating quite fast. Is that a symptom or is that just because I'm nervous?
I'm just nervous.
Okay, great.
Being in the kitchen seeing it meant that I was like, okay, I think I'll see this one out. I think I'll live to tell the Fugu tale because they were just so precise. It was incredible.
Alright guys, look at my say. Thank you for not killing me. Thank you.